Welcome back to the yard, guys. We're here at the Chevy Equinox. Now we're trying to put on the hood latch cable. So let's see what we got to do here. Stuff I gotta take out of here. Stuff I gotta move. Oh Lord. Okay. Alright. We know the cable goes around through here and back around in here. So I think I gotta loosen some stuff. Starting with this battery. Oh Lord, I tightened the battery. Yes, I tightened it. Sure did. I tightened it, you see. I'm not even sure I got it run through the right place, guys. I'm not sure. But everything with one hand here. Battery tray. Might have to move this out the way. Okay, let's look down in here because I was at the junkyard today. Okay, that is different. Okay, I'm seeing that thing down there now. I thought I had something hooked up wrong, but now I see that that is correct. I don't have anything hooked up wrong. So let's do this. I meant to grab my phone because I recorded a small video on my phone to let me know how this stuff goes in here, you see? And I believe I have it now. I think I got it locked in my memory. Let's see. Want something for the plug ready. That hole come here, go there. Go through here, back around through here, and back around through there, and then we have it. So let's get started with this. Doing this with one hand is never a good idea. Just to let you know, doing this with one hand is not a good idea. Make sure you have help if you're going to be doing this, you see. But me, I always do things alone. You know, you'll see. Okay, let's see. These look to be, what, 13? I think so. Let's see. 13 it is. Let's see. Indeed. They are 13s. Baby, hold on. Hold on. Let's stop it, girl. Baby, I love you, girl. Baby, hold on. Please hold on. Let's stop it, girl. I can't stop singing the song by the Whispers. Song from the 90s. From the early 2000s right there. I think it's like 2006. Love that song. Hold on. Okay, let's get to work. Got the battery tray out. Sit on the ground down there. So now we got to get back up in there there. I don't know if you can see it. I got the flashlight on it. Gotta get that through the firewall if you can see it. I don't know how well you can see that. Right there. Gotta push that little piece through the firewall. But I'm scared to put my hands back up in there because I might have some black widows. So let me put some gloves on this one hand. Let's put some gloves on. Lord. Ugh. So uncomfortable putting these gloves on in the heat like this. Ugh. I feel disgusting. Should have had some cloth gloves. I don't like it. Don't like it at all. Okay. If I can get the flashlight to shine back up in there. See where I gotta go. I got it. Yeah. Flashlight is on it. Now. Let's get this here. Okay. Oh Lord. Can't do it holding the camera, guys. I'm gonna have to come. We got it pulled through. See it down there? If you can. Got it pulled through. Got the wires pulled through. Got it hooked in the fastener right there. That's one of them. See, where is the other one? The other one is right here. So, oh Lord. Oh Lord. Man, I gotta go back under. Man. Hate doing this. Go under here. Want to be on the wall. On the wall. Yeah. Want to be on the wall, you see. All the way on it. Let's see if we can get this without breaking anything. I think I messed something up already. I did. Stupid why I didn't get up under it. Man. I tell you. Lord. I would just leave that alone, but I can't. I can't leave it. Gotta get it straight. Come on. Gotta get it straight. Gotta get it all the way up under it. Okay, yeah. Believe that's right. Okay, hopefully we didn't screw up again. Yeah. Hopefully we didn't screw up again. Let's see. Lord. All these wires. Pop that back in there. Okay. I think that's good. Let's get it in this one right here. Get it in this one. Yeah. Now, this goes up and around. Through here like this. Now, I do believe that's the way it goes. Did I mess up somewhere? I don't think so. Still seem kind of long. Okay, hold on. Let's see. As you can see, It's on. It's on. The hood latch cable is on. I still kind of worried because it's kind of loose in here. It's kind of loose in there. But once we put it all together, let's just see how it goes, you see? So this part is done. You know what I need to do? I need to get my high pressure washer and really spray in here, because in here it's dirty. Look all down there. It's filthy. It's filthy. All in here is filthy. All down there is filthy. All in here is just dirty and nasty. So yes, I think I'm going to do that. I'm gonna have to high pressure everything before I put all this stuff back together, you see. I just hope the water don't go everywhere. But it shouldn't. You know? So that's how you do it, guys. Hood latch on a 2013 Chevy Equinox. Not very hard at all. Kind of messed up back here a little bit though. I kind of messed up with cable. I kind of splitted it, and I pulled on it too hard, and it split. Should have put some tape around it, but I think it'll be okay. It should be okay. And we gotta sand all the stuff up here down, guys. See that blackness? I don't like that. So we gotta sand all of this down, all of it, and then get some white paint and touch it back up, and it should look awesome. Yeah, it should look awesome, you see. And then we can put the cover back over it, because it's covers that goes over here, so we can do that as well. And I think everything will be great. It will look great, and it would be great. See? But what I'm going to do now, I have to high pressure this thing in here. It's filthy. I don't like the way it looks, so I'm going to do that. But I think I'm going to do that off camera, you see. Yeah, it's just so much doing all this with the camera and everything. It's a pain, you see. It's a pain. Yeah, it's a pain. So got that on for today, guys. That's it for today. A short one video. Yeah, it's going to be the end of the video. Let's get a back shot this time. Yeah, let's get a back shot. Still holding strong. It's gonna look good when it's done. It's gonna look good when it's done. It's just these wires. These pedally wires gotta get straightened in under here. A couple of things I know not right. I think this right here is not right. I think I got the right one somewhere, but this one is not right. So we gotta change that. I just gotta hook this way for now to make everything work good, but this does not go. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again when we're back in the yard, guys. The yard. Peace.